Hi everybody, I am Dr. Jaydeep. I came from Mangalore, Karnataka. I am taking fellowship in facial aesthetic clinic, Mumbai. So it is a very good experience after coming here. Actually, I had interest about the facial aesthetic and all, but I didn't had any opportunity before to gain knowledge in that. Here, Dr. Debraj sir and Dr. Rinky Kapoor, both of them teach very well, and the topic was fillers, Botox injections, and all facial regenerative procedure or laser treatment. So facial cosmetic, so derma abrasion, and many more topics regarding facial aesthetic they have teached us and they have trained us. So it will be very good opportunity in the future to build up my practice and to expand my ways of treatment in facial aesthetic. So I am very much grateful for Dr. Debraj sir and the facial aesthetic clinic in Mumbai. So they also assured me that in case of any follow-up or any further consultation, they are always with us in future days. So I am taking 3 to 4 days orientation also after finishing this course here only. That is for the free of cost. So I would like to thank the entire team, facial aesthetic clinic team, for giving this opportunity for us. Thank you.